So the first step is using the pen tool. I use the pen tool for absolutely everything. You can create layer masks, you can cut out stuff, you can lower the cars, you can fix whatever you want using the pen tool. So the second tip would be using layer masks. I can create a separate tutorial for this, but if you have a circular polarizer filter or a CPL filter, you can take two photographs and you can merge them in Photoshop using a script, and then you just create a layer mask and you brush over where you don't want the reflections. Third tip would be using smart objects. You just right click your layer and convert it to smart objects. It's great for whenever you are going to add like an effect or something like that you might want to change up later, and smart objects make sure you can do that. The next step would be using the spot healing brush. It's a really great tool. Just select the brush size that you want, make sure that it's set to current and below or whatever you want it to be. Then alt click somewhere to set a reference point and then just paint in whatever you don't want to be there and it will remove it for you. Just make sure that you don't overdo it because it will look unnatural. The next step is scroll through the blend modes. It's great for making stuff like flares or make the car lights light up or something like that. You just paint using a brush on a new layer and you just scroll through the blend modes to see what suits the best, and then you just leave it at that. You can reduce the opacity if it's too much, but the last tip in this video will be the path blur. It's a really great effect and you can create fake rollers or amplify your rollers already if you shot it at a little wrong shutter speed. It's a really great tool. It's a little hard to understand, to be honest, and I don't get it really that well, but if you look at a video on motion blur and how that works, you will get it real quick. I get that this image isn't the best one to show an example of, but I already have it open, so I'm just gonna use this.